The ingredients are sliced mushrooms, 2 onion, 2 tomatoes, piece of ginger, 4 garlic cloves, handful of cashews and peas. I'm adding 2 spoons of oil. Now we'll add onions. We'll saute for 3 minutes. I'm adding half a spoon of salt, adding ginger, garlic cloves and tomato. We will saute all together. Adding cashews. You can see it's already half cooked. We will let it cool down for 10 minutes. I have transferred the mixture to the jar. We will grind it to make a fine paste. So fine paste is ready. So I'm adding 2 spoons of oil. And we will add now the mixture. I'm keeping gas on low flame and I'm stirring it continuously until water evaporates from the mixture. As you see, the color of mixture has been changed. Now we will add all masalas. I'm adding 1 spoon of homemade chilli powder. If you are adding normal chilli powder, make sure you add coriander powder and jeera powder and other garam masala powder. Adding peas and saute well for 1 minute. Add half a glass of water and cook for 5 minutes. Add sliced mushrooms and mix well. Cover the lid and cook for 4 to 5 minutes. Keep gas on low flame. It's cooked now. I'll garnish with a coriander. Try this recipe. Let us know your feedback. Please do subscribe and like this video.